Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. My name is Eric. I hope you have watched the previous videos. As each video is a continuation from the last one, and for you to be a profitable forex trader, you need to go back and watch those videos for you to understand everything better, to understand what I'm talking about. So today we are learning the forex chart and the market movements, the trends. Previously we learned about the trend lines or the market trend, and we learned that there is an uptrend. We learned that there is an uptrend, and we learned that there is a downtrend. We learned that there is a downtrend. So I told you to draw these lines. You just don't need complicated skills or any. You just need to join 2 or 3 points that if it's a downtrend, you just need to join 2 or 3 high points, like this one. You can see here, these are high points. There we have it. So you can see from here, there is this one point here, another point here, another point here. So that is a downtrend. When it is a downtrend, we draw the trend lines at the top. When it is an uptrend, we draw the trend line at the bottom. So why do we draw the trend lines at the top when it is a downtrend, and why do we draw the trend line at the bottom when it is an uptrend? This is because, or this is to be able to determine when the market is about to change its trend. If the market is bearish, this is bearish, or this is a downtrend, for we to know that it is becoming it want to go up or to become bullish, it will break this trend line here. This trend line we have drawn here. So you can see the market broke the trend line here, went up and retested. We learned in the previous video that the market moves in for market to be able to determine its movement, when it breaks a trend line, it will always go and retest. Like now, if it was a downtrend this way, and then we'll draw our trend line here, for we to know that the market is becoming bullish, or it wants to go up, it will break this trend line here, and then it will not keep going up. It will come again and rest here, then it will go. I hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So, and that is what happened here. This is what happened here. So this is what happened here. If you can see this one, when the market broke this trend line here, it broke at this point. Then when it broke up, it went up, then came down again, and then went back. So where do we enter the market? This is the right place. After this is the right place, which is same point at this one. After it goes up, goes down. If this was a fake breakup, the market would just have come here, but it would not have gone up again. It would just have continued downwards. So we should wait and see if it will break this point. And when it breaks this previous high, we know the market is changing direction. This is a good point to buy. So I hope you understand. You understand what I'm talking about there. Also, when do we determine when to sell? We'll draw this trend line here. In Forex market, there is also those fake breakouts, and that's why we wait for the confirmation. Confirmation is when the market has broken the resistance or the trend line and has retested. That is when we say it has confirmed that it's going down or it's going up. So here yes, there. So you can see here the market broke the trend line here at this point here, and then it went down, then it retested again, and then it continued. So the correct point to sell this trade was here, the same point with the previous low here. So we could have just sold here and we could have made money. So I hope you understand how we use the trend lines. Also, I've mentioned about resistance, support and resistance. Now in Forex market, we have support and resistance. Now, if I can just join this point here, this high here, you can see this is a high. There are 2 points here. So if I can just draw a line there, a vertical line, I'll call that a resistance, because when the market was going up, it reached at that point and then rejected and went back. So when the market came from here to here, it reached this resistance. It resisted, so this became a resistance, and then it went back again, retested and continued. So this trend line here, this line I've drawn here, you'll realize it has connection with the previous market performances. When we go back, hope you can see something. Just look at that. How wonderful. The market look at that. When the market broke here previously, it retested and it went up. It went up, came back to that line here, went again up. So you can see when it broke downwards, it broke here, retested here, and went down. How wonderful. So this is what we call when it was coming here, this was acting as a support. The market was being supported here, then it broke the support, it went down and retested, making it a resistance. So the resistance are also used as support. So you can see the market went up, and then so based on these previous performances, we can be able to predict more, we can be able to predict certainly that when the market was reached here, it will retest and went down. This market is likely to go down strongly. So we have strong evidence to sell this market, and we could have sold it at this point. So from here to here, could have made money. So that is how we use support and resistance. It's not a complicated thing. This thing, you just need to practice it several, and you will realize that it's not actually a very complicated thing. So in the next videos, I'm gonna teach you on how to buy or sell in the Forex market. So I hope you have learned something. Also feel free to say anything in the chat box, and I'll get back to you. If there's something that is not clear, I'm here for you. I'm ready to explain it until you understand. Thank you.